Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files from recycle bin after emptying without software. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Method 1. Go to Control Panel on your Windows computer. Click on the System and Security. There you will find the Backup and Restore option. Mouse over that option and it shows the message as Recover copies of your files backed up in Windows 7. It means, this option helps you to restore files that are backed up in the previous version, i.e., Windows 7. If you are using the Windows 7 as your computer operating system, then you will find the interface as displaying on screen. If there are any backups found, it displays in the Restore section. And from there you can easily recover the files. Number 2. Go to the location of the files from where they were deleted. Select the folder and right-click on it. An options list will open. Choose Show More Options from that list. There you will find the Restore Previous Versions option. Click on it. And a Properties window will pop up. Make sure that you are in the Previous Versions section. If not, click on it to move to Previous Versions section. There it shows the previous versions, backed up versions of the folder if available. Select the version and click on Restore to recover the files. Later, click on OK to close the window. Method 3. In the latest version of Windows, Microsoft OneDrive is recommended as the default backup storage. Open any browser and go to the official site of OneDrive. Log in to OneDrive using your Microsoft account login credentials. Then you can go through the storage to find the files. If they are not available in the folders, go to Recycle Bin, and check for the file. If you want to restore all the files available in the Recycle Bin, click on the Restore All Items option. Else, select the individual file by clicking on the checkbox. Then you will find the Restore option. Click on it to get back the file. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.